exactly how Charlie was. Look at him. You got everything in here. Turkey necks, turkey wings, baby turkey wings. They got the dogs love these joints. Chicken party wings. Know about these? They got the combo pack. 7 eyes. Got the gizzards. Whole chicken for $8. Raw chicken. Let's get them going. Good girl. Good girl. Somebody gonna try to take it, I already know. But we gonna see how long they last on it. They eating the whole chicken, a raw whole chicken. Stuff probably like some liver and probably a little bit of kibble or something. And of course I do vegetables, and I always try to do some fruit too. We're gonna see this pack eating. Build the communication up. So you should be able to pet them. Put my hand in there, let them know. Okay, ain't nobody on me. Everybody know what's going on. Pack eating. Look at my boy. He don't care about nothing she talking about. Look, scared her off. And she ain't do not one thing yet to nobody. Yeah, I definitely like to do this. Once in a while, let them know it's alright to eat together. Ain't nobody you gonna eat. Ain't nobody trying to steal your food. Even if they was, there's some more you gonna eat. I definitely don't tolerate that. Trying to take somebody else's food, crap. See, they trying to go under there.